guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about my weekly skincare routine in winters, because in winter our skin become very dull and dry. So I will show you very easy and effective homemade facial with all the natural ingredients which I follow, and it includes 5 basic steps. So let's start the video. First step is cleansing. For this, we will dip a cotton ball in raw milk and clean our face and neck gently. Cleansing is very important before doing any facial, as it helps in removing dirt and impurities from our skin. Then we will take a slice of tomato and put 1 tablespoon of honey on it. Rub it all over your face and neck in circular motion and keep it like that for 5 to 10 minutes so that it will get absorbed into the skin. Next step is steaming. For this, we will add 2-3 slices of lemon and green tea into the water. Boil it for 10 to 15 minutes and take steam. For acne prone skin, you can also add neem leaves into it. It helps in opening up the skin pores and make your skin fresh and glowing. For scrubbing, we will need 2 tablespoons of coffee powder and 1 tablespoon of honey. Add lemon juice into it and mix all the ingredients pretty well. Your scrub is ready. Apply it on your face with the help of fingers and scrub it for 4 to 5 minutes. It will help to remove dead skin cells and blackheads from the skin. Coffee acts as a mild exfoliator and help to brighten up the skin. Honey provides moisturization to the skin and lemon juice help to lighten up your skin tone. After scrubbing, wipe your face or wash it off with normal water. Next step is face massage. To prepare face massage cream, we will take 2-3 tablespoons of curd or yogurt into a bowl and add a pinch of turmeric into it and mix it well. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil into it and we will make a smooth paste. Now take this massage cream on your fingers and apply it all over your face and neck and massage it gently. Curd provides nourishment to the skin and helps in removing tanning. And turmeric has antibacterial properties which help in reducing pimples or any skin infection. Massage is very important for the skin. It helps in improving the blood circulation, relax the facial muscles, improve the skin texture, and provide bright and glowing skin. Follow the facial steps as shown in the video and massage all over your face, forehead, nose, chin and neck for 10 to 15 minutes. This massage cream is also very beneficial for dark circles, so apply it around the eyes and massage your eyes in circular motion. After massage, you can clean your face with facial wipe or wash it off with normal water. Next step is face pack. For this, we will need 1 tablespoon of gram flour or besan and add 2 tablespoons of milk into it and mix it well. Now add tomato juice into it and mix all the ingredients and your face pack is ready. You can also use multani mitti instead of besan if your skin is very oily or you are using this face pack in summers. Apply this face pack on your face with the help of fingers as shown in the video and let it stay for 10 to 15 minutes. A good facial is completed only after the final application of face pack. It helps in tightening up and firming the skin. This will give instant glow and radiance to the skin. After applying the face pack, let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off. I have washed my face with normal water and you can see my face is perfectly clean with a radiant glow. After completing the facial, moisturization of the skin is very important. For this, I am applying a face serum to all over my face. At last, I will apply lip balm on my lips, and with this step, my facial is completed. So guys, I hope you found this video useful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will come back with more videos. Till then, goodbye, take care and Thanks for watching.